Hello, my viewers. Welcome to Baby Kid Foods. Baby Kid Foods is a channel of traditional foods and modern recipes. So, guys, I'm back with this video today. I just want to make for you some baked fish. So, guys, keep tuned and cook with me. Fish that I just want to prepare, I've already washed and cleaned and removed everything, just as I told you in another video in this channel. I've washed them. Now, the ingredients that I'm going to use, I have some green herbs, that is coriander, spring onions, and rosemary leaves. I have ginger and garlic. I have the bell peppers, yellow and red onions. And for the spices that I'm going to use, of course, because it's fish, I'm going to use fish masala, curry powder, and turmeric. So guys, keep tuned and see what I'm going to do. So first, I'll start by making slits to this fish. As I told you before in my other videos, that we make slits on fish so that everything, all the ingredients, all the spices can get direct inside. So I'll just start by making the slits. I have my blender here. I'm going to blend these peppers. Red onions, garlic, and my ginger. Spring onions, rosemary leaves, coriander. Then I will add some little oil to it. And then I'll blend. Keep tuned, guys. It is just done now, so I'll just add it in here. Guys, this is just what I've just blended to marinate my fish. So for this, I'm going to add the fish masala. I have curry powder and I have turmeric. Mix up everything together. add some little oil. So guys, if at all I don't just have lemon, but if at all I had lemon, this is the right time to place lemon in here. So next, so this is just first round. We'll do it for the second time. So next, the same to this other one. So guys, you can just have a look at my fish. So next, what we are going to do, we'll give it time, about 5 minutes, and then keep tuned. My fish, so I have a foil here. So what I'll do, I'll keep this foil here first. You see, I'll take my fish, this side which is already okay, I'll make it face down. Now because this other side has come out, so I'll do the final touch. Then place it the other side way. Then I'll do the final touches on it. Wrap them using a foil. So I have some potatoes here that I'm going to serve it with. So I'll create a space in between them and place some potatoes. So what I'm going to do, try this recipe. It's very nice Very, very nice. You'll love it. And remember to subscribe if at all you have not subscribed to this channel with amazing videos. And if you're new in this channel, please feel welcome and always keep tuned to my cookings. My fish, I've already preheated my oven, and now I'm going to bake it for about 40 minutes. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, this is it. So guys, keep tuned. Let's give it 40 minutes and see how my fish is going to be. Thank you for tuning. My fish is now ready. Whoa. Oh. So it's still hot. Let my fish and see how my fish is. So let me just remove it out from the file. So guys, look at my fish. My two fish are done and they're looking so yummy and they're tasting so good, so delicious. So I'm just going to try one and show you how delicious it. Let me just try the potatoes first. See how soft the potatoes are? Mmm. What about my fish? Please, this video, give it a like. This is a lady from the lake region. This is how we cook fish here in Kenya. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please try this recipe and let's meet in another video. Bye bye.